So you want to learn how to shuffle tarot cards and lay them out properly? Actually, wait. It really doesn't matter how you shuffle the cards. You could spread them out and make a big mess like you did when you were a little kid and pull cards that way. You could shuffle them like a professional poker dealer would. So satisfying. Or you could lay them straight out and run your hand over top and pick whichever one. It really doesn't matter. It totally doesn't matter. The one thing that does matter when it comes to tarot is your connection with your heart. Because your heart is going to lead you in the right direction. Your heart will give you the proper guidelines on how you want the tarot reading to go. So with heart comes intention. And we got to involve the brain a little bit, but not too much because we don't want to overthink things, right? We want to determine, why are we pulling tarot cards to begin with? Do we have a question? Do we just want some general knowledge from the tarot cards? So it's totally up to you. And I suggest however you decide to shuffle, even if it's just a regular shuffle like this, do it slow enough so the cards aren't flipping out all over the place. They tend to with me anyways. They call those jumpers. But while you're contemplating your idea or your question, shuffle the cards. Think about the question, or think about the person or the situation or the thing you want a little more clarity on. Because that's where the magic ingredient is. It's in taking action, doing the shuffling, while thinking about putting the question out there to the universe. And from there, you're also deciding how many cards you're going to pull. When you know that in advance, you can determine when to stop, when to allow the cards to flip out if you want, and use them in your tarot reading. You can determine to pull just one card a day for inspiration. You can choose anywhere between 1 and, well, how many cards are there in a tarot deck? 78? Sounds about right. You're not going to use all of them though, because that's kind of defeats the purpose. But more importantly, where the cards are, what position they're in, will determine what that card's going to mean for the reading. For a typical 3-card spread, you're going to have, for example, your past is card 1, present is card 2, and future is card 3. Or it could be anything like that, like asking the question. Card 1 could be the subject of the query. Card 2 could be the possible problem that exists, and card 3 could be the solution to that problem. You get to decide. That's the beautiful thing about tarot. You don't have to control anything other than your thoughts and your actions, which is in how you shuffle. Be comfortable with the way you shuffle. That you don't have to do things in a way that just doesn't feel right. And we're going to end this with the 2 of Cups. You need to love what you're doing. So if you're uncomfortable shuffling in a specific way, your mind is going to be so focused on, oh, I'm not doing this right, or I wonder if I'm doing this right. I'm really all about do it in a way that feels aligned for you. You've got to enjoy what you do. Partner with the universe and just allow the messages to come. And the best thing that you can do is just practice. That's it for today. Peace.